Hey guys, welcome back to OutClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix sorry something went wrong. For solutions, please visit error. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Steam games here and getting that notification, well, the first thing that you want to do is you may want to restart Steam. So in this case, you want to go and close Steam, but if it's not fully closed, what you need to do is you want to go and just press Control Shift Escape on your keyboard, or you could go ahead and just search for Task Manager in your search bar here. But once you do see it, you want to go and look for Steam Client, right click on it and click on End Task. Now, once you've done that and Steam is fully closed, the next thing that you want to do is you may want to change a few things. So look for Steam, right click on it. So just wait for a while here. And also, by the way, if it actually opens up again, I would highly recommend you to close it again and do the or reclose it again, just to be on the safe side. Just gonna right click and task. And once fully closed, you wanna go right click on Steam. So yeah, again, right click on Steam. This is what you should be seeing. Now in here, you wanna go and choose the option that says Open File Location. You should see steam.exe here, right click on it, and you want to go and choose the option that says properties. Inside properties, you want to go to compatibility. Now, you want to go and choose the following. It's going to be run this program in compatibility mode, and you want to go and choose disable full screen optimization, and just click on run this program as administrator. Now, once we've done that, you want to go and click on apply and OK, and that should fix your issue. Now, also, another thing that you may want to do is you may want to update your GPU as well. Sometimes there are going to be updates that is required for certain games to run. So I would highly recommend you to open up the NVIDIA app or whatever app or driver you currently have right now on your PC. Go and update that and see if that actually helps. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.